COVID-19 is an infectious disease caused by the newly discovered coronavirus. Most infected people with COVID-19 virus will experience mild to moderate respiratory illness and recover without requiring special treatment. Older people and those with underlying medical problems like cardiovascular disease, diabetes, chronic respiratory disease, and cancer are more likely to develop a serious illness.
COVID-19 affects different people in different ways. Most infected people develop mild to moderate illness and they recover without hospitalization. The most common symptoms are fever, dry cough, and tiredness. The less common symptoms are aches and pain, sore throat, diarrhea, conjunctivitis, headache, loss of taste or smell, a rash on skin, or discoloration of fingers and toes. The serious symptoms are chest pain or pressure, difficulty in breathing or shortness of breath, loss of speech or movement.
Treatment: if your symptoms are mild enough that you can recover at home, you should rest. It can make you feel better and may speed your recovery. Stay home, don't go to work, school or public places. Drink fluids. You lose more water when you are sick. Dehydration can make symptoms worse and cause other health problems. Monitor. If your symptoms get worse, call your doctor right away. If your case is severe, check the level of oxygen in your blood with a clip-on finger monitor. Listen to your lungs. Give your a COVID-19 test. This involves putting a 6-inch cotton swab up both sides of your nose for about 15 seconds. Give your a chest X-ray or CT scan.
The Government of India under Prime Minister Narendra Modi ordered a nationwide lockdown for 21 days, limiting the movement of entire 138 crore population of India as a preventive measure against COVID-19 pandemic in India. It was ordered after 14-hour voluntary public curfew on 22nd March. On 14 April, Prime Minister Narendra Modi extended the lockdown till 3 May. The conditional relaxation after 20 April for the regions where the spread has been contained or was minimal.
On 1 May, the Government of India extended the nationwide lockdown further by 2 weeks until 17 May. The government divided all the districts into 3 zones based on the spread of the virus: green, red and orange, with relaxation applied accordingly. On 17 May, the lockdown was further extended till 31 May by the National Disaster Management Authority. On 38 May, it was announced that lockdown restrictions were to be lifted from them onwards, while the ongoing lockdown would be further extended till 38 June.
Indians came out onto their balconies and stood near open windows to clap, clang metal whistles and ring bells on 22nd March to cheer emergency workers battling the spread of the coronavirus during a nationwide lockdown. Prime Minister Narendra Modi had asked citizens to stay indoors for a voluntary down to dusk curfew, but said they should make noise at 5 p.m. to show their appreciation for medics, nurses and sanitation workers. People responded by blowing conch shells, singing patriotic songs and banging drums. Outside, the usual bustling streets were quiet.
Our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi asked Indians under lockdown to switch off all lights at home on 5th April, Sunday at 9 pm, and light candles and diyas and use the mobile's flashlights to mark the national fights against the coronavirus outbreak. The people of India took this activity by heart with utmost emotions. Unity has been seen in each and everyone's face, and the beliefs in PM Modi's words was unified.
Services would be resumed in a phased manner starting from 8th June. It was termed as Unlock 1. The second phase of Unlock 2 was announced for the period of 1 to 31 July with more ease in restrictions. Unlock 3 was announced for August. Similarly, Unlock 4 was announced for September and Unlock 5 for the month of October. In the same way, Unlock 6 was announced for the month of November. Unlock 7 was announced for the month of December.
Ever since easing of restrictions started in the country, negligence in the personal and the social behavior has been increasing. Prime Minister Narendra Modi said in a television address, adding citizens were ignoring the guidelines on the social distancing and washing hands. Wedding and the leisure activities are almost back in the full swing, while religious centers are turning into the potential hotspot. Recently, the country has been recorded a single-day spike week after week.
Lockdown 2.0. Experts say the loosening of COVID-19 regulations during the first COVID outbreak has led to a second wave of the disease. A number of states and cities considered going into lockdown again due to the increasing cases. Lack of hospital resources and healthcare workers were less in number and the cases plunged at a drastic and unexpected level. Lockdown 2.0 was inculcated as people started violating the rules and considered COVID-19 as over. With the launch of vaccines in India, people thought that the disease had a cure. Than that, there is nothing to worry about.
Hygiene rules. Wear a mask. Everyone from the younger to the older should and must wear a mask. Mask must be worn properly onto your nose to your chin that it secures your mouth and nose. Stay 6 feet away from the people in or outside your house who you think have symptoms of coronavirus.
Wash your hand often. Ensure that you wash your hand with water and soap at least for 20 seconds, especially if you've been at a public place or after sneezing. Get vaccinated with authorized and registered COVID-19 vaccine can help stabilizing and protect you from the virus. Avoid crowd and poorly ventilated space. Cover cough and sneeze. Monitor your health daily. Be alert from the symptoms. Watch for fever, cough, shortness of breath or other symptoms.
Any excuses?
If I can do it,
if I can put on a mask,
and I can put on a mask, so can you.
so can you.
so can you.
So can you.